Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Another day, another vlog.
Rice.
We are going to the lake. Ang sarap ng pwesto niyo ah. We're busy doing something and me and Chacha are busy sitting down and drinking.
Come on, Chan.
Hi, I am Cheryl for Hulana Vlog.
Good morning, another day here in Lake Tahoe. Today is our day 2 here, and what a beautiful morning here. Alright guys, so today is Monday. Okay. Hi Moon Moon! Hi Moon Moon! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Mama, ano di ka mama? May sandal ka ron? May kape ako nga dala. Ano yung kape? Ano yung kape? Bulok yung kape na ron.
Anong kape siya?
Phil Hills Coffee.
I'm brewing coffee right now.
Hey, good morning. Another day, another vlog.
Rice.
Another day.
Express mo.
And that's a hot dog. And the egg is right there. Right there. Egg is right there. And this is the spam.
I'm doing a hand check,
Huh?
a proper hand washing technique.
Uy, tsaka dami kita parang.
Throw it to him.
As in, gusto ko talaga to.
Masarap na yan.
Oo. Eh, uwi ako next month sa Pinas. So, bibili ulit ako. Pilipinas. Binili ko.
It was so loud already at like 1 a.m.
Good morning. This is second day here. And look at the view. Good morning.
Look your own.
Saan?
Asan na yung lubos nyo? I don't know.
Ano yun, Cha?
Olive oil, TJ. Huwag mo ubusin niya sa may ahli niya.
Hayaan mo siya na bakit? Oh, para sa everyone.
Kasi olive oil, baka mamaya.
Sa mga nagstay kasi dito rin siya, na hindi naubo.
Saan?
May Pilipino nag-stay.
Oh.
May magic sarap.
Oh!
Eh, gamitin natin mamaya.
At may magic sarap din daw siya.
Ito nga, normal con.
Iniwan nila yan.
Okay, ayun, magbabanatan. Oo, silang bango, di ba? Ako doon! Kutsara man, mahal. Abo ko maganda kutsara.
Patimpla man ako. Alan! How deep is your love? Your love.
I know he looks like
It looks like peaches.
Oh, yeah.
Look at them. Not yet. No.
Sige, ito, Jay.
Let it grow like this.
No.
You have to go to the underground.
We stopped by. That's why it took us a while to get here.
Kani si Shen?
Never again. Pero para ako, kung pamikabi ako, kung pamika ako, Ay, ayaw ka mo.
Ay, let daw. Hi!
Hi,
Hi!
welcome to North Lake Tahoe.
Hindi ko batin nun. What audio?
What audio? Lahat yun. Uy! It's an egg. Moni eat a lot. Moni! Yes! Good morning. Our food for today. Besi yung ano natin, yung tinapa. Our food for... Ay, see, maganda pa. Makakapag-prepare pala pag walang tao rito.
Oo, magsamo.
Oo.
Magsamo, tabi si
Yan.
Ito yan.
Oo, buksan mo. Ayan. Sarap. Masarap sana pag may tuyo to, no? Wala naman pala sila dito, eh, no? Ayan. Ang food. Lan!
Ito, yung mga bata mo.
This one here, ha?
Ketchup.
Lan, sali ka na.
Just get food that you can eat. Don't get a lot of
Good morning, Cha-Cha! Good morning, everyone! We are eating breakfast today. Look. So, this is my nephew, Liam. Liam is eating again? Again. Ano, kutsara? Walang kutsara.
Sabay-sabay.
Tay! Ay, kay mama. Sin, ma'am. Buwa nga ni ma.
Oh, thank you for following. You're such a follower.
Alan, upo ka dito lang, so.
It's our breakfast.
Dito. Dito ka, upo ka dito.
You want the egg, right?
Dito ka, umupo ka dito.
I thought you want the egg.
Mainit nga.
Wash your hands, Sandy. I've been calling you, Charles. You're not answering.
Joe! Go get it upstairs. Sit down here beside you.
Charger, the small one.
Oh my God. Hey, you need to eat eggs.
Morning breakfast.
May anak ko. Mainit.
There's a big fan. May electric fan kami dito. May big fan doon.
Saan?
Sa taas. You guys want me to...
Ha?
That job. That job is room. It's a floor fan.
Sa 4 pan?
Yeah, it is.
It's not your... Oh my God, we crossed the street. We crossed the street.
No.
Because I did, and then they said different.
Namin pinapabits, no? Ha?
Zoe!
Ang cellphone. Alan! Kain na na!
Come on, Jess!
Beef
Eat!
tata. Come on, Jess. Beef tata.
Imaw!
Paborito na rin. Ano, panis na.
Oh, welcome back to my vlog again, guys. We are going to the lake. Yeah, see? So, this is my mom. Ginadlokan na din, basi ko na magsugid. Kung ano natabo. Alam mo naman. Ay, sugid yun, malamang. Oh, my mom is so pretty. Ama! Okay. Gisugid nanda! Zoe! We are going to lake and everyone is here. This is our accommodation. Hi guys, another day, another vlog. We are on our way to lake kasi maliligo daw kami. Nandito pa rin kami sa Lake Tahoe, everyone. Welcome back. Tignan nyo ang ganda ng view. Ito yung lake. So, pupunta kami doon. With the family, of course. Kompleto kaming 7 magkapatid. Kasama yung family. Kami lang ng asawa ko, din namin kasama si Joshua. So, wala akong bantay sa aso. Okay. Look at the view, lads. Vlog yung view, ha?
Parang
Parang bahalang to sa Pilipinas.
Oo nga, no? Parang ba sa Pilipinas?
Bahala yan, babangka sila na.
Oo nga.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my vlog again. So as of now, we are here in Lake. We are in the parking lot actually. Whew, it is so hot. But people are leaving now. So tingnan nyo yung view. This is the view and the view. Ang sarap ng pwesto niyo ah.
Siyempre, magaling kami.
Sarap ah. Oo. They're busy doing something and me and Chacha are busy sitting down and drinking. We're kind of chilling. My knee hurts so bad. And look at John. Oh, si Alan. Yeah! Gagos dyan ka nakadiri.
Marami.
Picture mo man ako kagaya ng gawa ko kay ano. Judela, oh. Oh, kompleto kami sa camera.
Ihawak mo dapat na lang. Pause mo na lang. Marami kang viewers na lang. Jay! Ipatito mo sa Alan dyan. Ipahawak mo yung brief. Ganun nga. Hawak ko ang brief. Hawak ko ang brief.
Hawak mo ang brief, hawak ang brief. Sa bawat galaw nila ika'y sobrang inti. Hawak mo ang brief.
Pangit ka naman si Chase dapat.
Oo.
Macho.
No, but saan ba sila?
Ano Judel?
Wala ka pa na nag-call in.
TJ.
Tago ko si Chichi.
Wala ka na chichi.
Ayoko pagitan. Pero sa ano, pili ko matagal.
Pwede na ito.
Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog! Hawak ko ang brief! Hawak ko ang brief! Hawak ko ang brief! But, hi guys! This is AJ and me. And this is everyone. Bessie, Bambi, so malapad ang likod. And this is Cha-Cha. Okay, let me... And that's the gang. Look at the gang. Mama. Bambi. Ay, bawal ang brief. Bawal ang brief. Ang nakakainis dyan. Ang nakakainis yung mga Tama
Pwede mo kayo makita ka nakasunod. Ayaw mo.
go far. Enzo, don't go far. Enzo, don't go too far. Aww.
Bob, you're next.
Bob, you're next, Bob. Hi, Mom. That's my mom. Mama Ella Vlog, subscribe. Anong tatay?
Dapat dito kita. Share ka pa itong kaparil, bulan ito.
Buligin ko na mo, Shen.
Jaya tugad! Ano kaya? Jay, pause!
Yung ano pong save mo?
Peanuts, guys, peanuts! Why you did?
Okay. Alam ko na kung ano kakain ko.
Saan tayo peanuts?
Ano ka nakabagay? Peanuts?
She's gonna jump! Oh, Judal man siya!
Kakahilo siya. Judel, bye, Del. Del, bye. Nahilo ako. Lance, ipatong mo yung... Hi. Hello. Amo nadlok ka? Hey, can you guys, hey Liam, can you say hi to my vlog? Okay, thank you. Hey, can you say hi to my vlog? Kashi boy? Lavish. Hindi kayo ninitan dito? Gabi. Ito yung pamangkin ko, dalawa. Ito yung isa. Ito yung isa. Hi, guys! Ako sa cold. Hi!
Ako sa ano? Actually, if I'm like stressed, I'm starting.
We are still here in Lake Tahoe. We're having fun. The kids are right there. So, tingnan yung kids. Yeah. And then, Shen. Last, magtupig ka lang. There you go.
And I don't know where. I'm just like stuck.
I told you, okay lang yan. Magkano yung paa mo.
getting ready. We are done here, and everyone is, I think they're busy packing. PJ, and my husband. Mother is so sexy. Oh, wow.
Hear you from the freeway. Yeah. Turn the house the other way. Mà đứng đây.
Let's go now.
Okay, come here. Everyone, we are packing now.
Hello, Vera. Hello, Vera.
So everyone is here. And Labs, yung upuan natin, Labs. Na ano na?
Lord, baka mamaya pagpupunta si Shandel eh. Sasama ka na ha.
Mama, may cellphone siya.
We're gonna party later because it's our last night. Oh, we're gonna party.
Oh yeah, wait. I'm trying to drink them drinks.
We are done here. So, uuwi na kami. And ang husband ko yung driver ngayon kasi nakainom ako. It's really hot. Napula na ng face ko. Ang init. Sobra. Okay? Tingnan ko sa inyo. Bakit? Bakit ko ulitin? Guys,
At the
tingnan
stop
nyo.
sign, turn
Husband ko.
left onto North Lake Boulevard.
Bye guys. Maganda siya. Ito yung name ng beach. Yan.
At the next roundabout, continue straight.
Yay! Hi vlog! Sarap palang passenger. Diretso na tanong. Alright guys, tapos na kami. So, kailangan na namin bumalik sa accommodation kasi magluluto si Mom, yung brother ko, ng food kasi siya yung nakatoka for dinner today. And we're gonna cook merienda also, which is fishball, kikiam, and banana Q and kamuti Q. So we need to go back and have fun because today is our last day and we are going home tomorrow. Alright guys. Slow down ka lang, Labs. 35 ang speed limit dito.
55 eh.
55.
51 lang ako. Ano ba ba?
Wow. yung may saging ka, no? Baka man. Sago, pupupag mo tao, tata. Masih yung vlog, ma? Okay na. Spaghetti,
It's like a little
spaghetti.
shop.
And then we have this. And look at this. Guys, another food, another vlog. Fishball. Wow, you're so... Ako niya palda ron. You're so pretty, ate.
Going, Sam.
Wow. Food. Hi, welcome back to my vlog. I'm so sleepy. Fishball and kikiam. Wow.
Puro kawaw. Oh, ba't nag-short ka?
Di ako makahinga. Masikip. Oh.
Say wow.
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 Hello, welcome back to my vlog. We are here outside with siblings. Okay. Hi, welcome back again to my vlog. Here guys, I'll show it to you our dinner for tonight. So katatapos lang namin kumain ng spaghetti, di ba? Ngayon, ito pa rin yung sauce. Tapos ito yung pasta naka-cover. Beef steak naman for tonight. Shrimp. And some leftover. And what are you cooking, Bam? Garlic shrimp?
That one we did, this one is no head.
Oh. And this is garlic one? And this is garlic
No
shrimp.
head.
No head. So we are eating again. Ma! Iba naman yun. Oh, that's mine.
I'm just gonna...
Urong siya. Iurong mo siya.
I got a patas about
Ay, ako na siya.
Ayaw ma... Ano ron? Zoe, get your plate. And get the spoon out there.
This is life. Oh! Liam is kind of like an old guy that's sleeping with on the... Yes, exactly. Are you guys not scared here last night?
No.
Why not?
Let's watch a horror movie again.
Oh my God. Who? Hey, Bea. Wait, who slept there?
I didn't want to shower, so I just slept instead.
Who slept there on that bed?
Enzo.
You're not scared, Chong?
I was so terrified I farted.
And where's... How about...
I did scary.
Where did you sleep?
I
where
did
did you
scary
sleep?
farts. I did my fearful farts.
On the couch with Liam?
Yeah.
Liam is
I was
old.
like,
He's
it's
an
so
old
strange.
man. Yeah, Liam's like Papa.
I know. And where's Gigi?
I had that same shirt and I also cut it.
Yeah. Oo nga ni. Gapin naman to, kada siya no.
Namunod yung tao.
Iya ya. Babisimon mo dilapan na, nadugago kat ing.